You're welcome to another class. Today we're looking at the application of pronouns. How do you apply the knowledge of pronouns in answering questions? There are many ways, but I will just look at a few in this class. I'm going to display some questions and we'll look at them together. Okay, let's go. You can have this. The two boys are always fighting, dash. Okay, what do you think is the answer? The two boys are always fighting each other. Let's look at the second application of pronouns. Look at another instance. This is a bit different from what we looked at in the first sentence. Okay, so this one now, we have the boys. More than two, probably. Okay, so we're not going to use each other. We're going to use one another. So when there are just two, you use each other. But many, you use one another. All right? So the correct option there is one another. Dash, we're asked to represent the company. You're not going to put yourself first. It's just courtesy in English. So you put the other person first. So it's David and I. All right? The next one has to do with pronouns and also has to do with spellings and pronunciation. We just look at the options there. And the correct one is option D. You don't need an apostrophe for that expression. Okay, just yours sincerely. No apostrophe. Okay, easy, right? It's simply whose father. The boy whose father visited the hospital is ill. There are many more. You can check them out. These are few we're looking at in this class. You can improve yourself using what we're teaching, not just for the sake of exams. It's nice to have you into this class.